Hey guys, I'm Sark and this is my friend. Today we're going to CDO to I will tell you later. So today right now, ayan, prepare. I'm wearing my petrol university jacket. My petrol, what do you call this? Varsity jacket. And it's brand new. Karon lang nasuot. And here's our bags. So dami oh. And this is Thanos. Oh my God, he's with us. Okay, sing for us. Yes, so that's Thanos, and it's so cool. Yes, thank you. Stay tuned for later. Right now, 8:20 in the morning, and we're aiming for early flight departure. Magbasa pa kami. And it's raining. Yeah, it's unfortunate. At least I'm pretty. Just get pretty man. Bawal huwag kayo mga copyright monetize. Yeah. So, mag-translation ta. What's up guys? We're here at terminal and like it's already something. Yes, waiting for a bus and there's no bus here. Like where? Like come on. Like I'm so rich for this. It's my first time riding a bus because usually we have limousine travel back and forth from this place to Rio. Like I live there. That is my birthplace, Miss Or. Yeah. So I'll update you later once we are in the bus. No time we'll get in. Thank you. Gamay lang, miss. Okay, we're gonna sleep since we woke up early. Wala. Okay, bye.
Few moments later.
There is Jollibee, and right now here's our order. Yes, these are my friends. Right. Like yeah, see you later. We're gonna checking in the Morbius one. Bye.
Nag-time-lapse may gamit akong phone. Like, thank goodness na i-time-lapse akong phone. Like, phone. Like, isn't that amazing? Isn't it great? And tanawa ko dara, I'm so weird. Slow mo ko pala yun more normal sa video. Tanawa padara. Hala, ang bayot. Ilamlam yun. Kung pinatahan rin rin, matamik pero nag-isis man sigala na yung magkanjali mimi. Tanawa na hapit na dara. Yes. Pak kagisi ang bakla pinakaminis atubang.
So namin dari sa SM Uptown 7-Eleven likod 1 kay mag-avail may room sa the Morbius Inn. Okay, wait. Oh my God. Like look at this. Lamig ng Jollibee. Yan siya ang sponsor. Full na daw. That's so sad.
2 hours later.
Hello. So naa namin here. Padulong mi sa SM downtown. And I'm with Ryan Dave vlog, and then Ragalanay. Hi. Yes. Pangit kayo sila. Pura pretty sila. At least makabalance sa mga friendship na pretty na ito ka at least. Ano, di ba na? Thank you.
Lagi SM ya?
Sili.
Mama lang SM.
Land Bank. Uy, mag-cash out ko kayo. Guys, we're here at Citrio. Like, look at this. Mingaw na pala rin. Yes, Centurion. Last time I did this. Wait, but I don't know last time for this time. Look. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it not? Hey, mga boys. Goodbye. Hello guys, right now nasa sa SM. Yes. And the ice street food na doon, siya nakain mo. Like, yes, mga pusong kape. Unfortunately, last na umukbang sa street food kaya sa ganang diyan. I'm so weak in the knees. I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Yes. Yung nightclub. Pas man mo mga sana Chinese man na Edgo. So here's the entrance. Guys, musakay ta dari sa glass elevator.
Yeah. Ulo yung vlogger mo.
Vlogger kita. Na-misweldo ba? Na-misweldo.
Wala, mukha na to.
Sensor to. Mura siya kidnapper. Wala ba yung place na parang K-pop ay? K-pop? Trinidad. Yung Trinidad.
Yung Trinidad.
Yung Trinidad.
Warning, don't lean daw.
Okay, nanamong sakay. Ay, na yung tao. Ang tao ay. Next batch pa daw eh. Tanhi, tangino. Lahos. Bilong, napkin rin mo lahos. Payo. Wala tayo. Ano?
Pwede sa taas pa. Third floor.
Yung sila kayong video natin. Sorry. Really.
Second floor.
Ano? Ui. Oh. Dili. And then, wow.
Dapat maanad ka, hindi kayo matuloy batag langit.
Mana?
Eventually.
Everyone, namin rin sa McDonald's at pang limpid guys. Like, look at this. I'm on a diet, so Coke Zero ako ay is Coke McFloat. Look at, it's his first time eating sa... Uy, hindi na po kasi kumak ko.
Siguro is manang sa takab.
And then we have BFF fries. BFF fries ni? No. Oh my god.
Where's my coffee?
And that's it. Magkaon sa amin. Hi guys, nanonood sa airport. Nagulat me. Apparently 9:30 or 40 kami maabot ang mga I'm so excited for my friend. Yes. Like, this is the arrival. Like, bakit kayong quality camera, right? Sigo. Vlogging lang. Bye. Lang ka minutes para maabot ng among ginahulat. So, let's ask some questions to the recipient to his account. So here she is. So hi, what's your name?
My name is Jojo Silva.
Okay, Jojo Silva. How do you feel right now? How do you feel? Oh my God. What? Yes.
Time.
And I'm grateful. She gives you butterflies.
Give justice to humankind because I am kind.
Yes. What is your message to the hell?
See you there.
Wow.
3 hours later.
Namin here, Russia Bazaar, food bazaar. Sila lang naman. Like, order me. Tigil ka lang. Order na me food. Set.
Order na lang yung kapag for this maka. Sunto sa bagyo mo na
Kundo, kompleto na po mga gamit. Wala kami sa mga order. So look in front ko, may back cam. Pangit kayo, back cam.
A few moments later.
Right now, lunch me, late lunch na kay alas 2 na kapin. And namin rin sa hotspot. And like, Look at this. This is our first time hot potting. Like, magpa-hotspot ka? Huh? Arty ka, yun, di mo ka ang baboy. Hot potting. Yes. So yummy. So good. Like, I wish our princess. Huh? So here, I have a drink. Avocado shake. So creamy. Very creamy. Hindi siya tamis kayo. I like it. Adulting things. Hindi lang garang tamis kayo na things. Yummy. Stay tuned. Bukawin sa may hotpot.
A few moments later.
Centrio. I am just a student from Central Mindanao University. And we're here in Centrio. Gak mo to dari, sulod na.
Dire oh.
Dura mo to laray. So here we are inside. I don't care what they say about me. At least I'm pretty. So,
Oy, kasi.
This is our
Ikaw mo
influencer.
ha. Pa-bench na couple ha.
wala ka, Daniel.
안녕하세요, 여러분. 안녕하십니다.
Bangit siya imnida.
Later.
Hey guys, day 2 sa atong video. I'm so excited. Day 2? Day 3? Ang mga ligo, may sa Australia. Ala. Bye.
Later.
Guys, right now, namin sa Ito Yokan. This is my first time also. Wow, every day, I experience with new things and things that I'm best friend. So I'm so busy right now. That's the station where you can eat all you can. Oh, tamo ka sa ulo. Yeah, there you go. Bye, I'm gonna eat.
Later.
So right now, nasa sa Ultrawind. Here, pagin. Yan. Nasa front list. And nasa live singer doon. Like, look at this place. Once in a lifetime experience yung papainot. And wow, look at that. If only my camera was more, advanced and better, diba? Appreciate din yung lugar. Ito si ating dato. Yeah, we're gonna settle in on the Brinkley because we cook. Yes. Bye. See you later. I might see you later kay magpanta. Backlight na palong. Tapos sa loading tara. Let's go. Like no walang guard. Okay, I'm excited with the sun too.
That's discrimination. Only women can make it through this.
What's up? Walking away downtown, walking fast, take his bounce, I'm all about. Staring back in here, making away to the crowd. Oh, wow, look at this. These are tables. Look at this table. And then the view. Look at this. It's hurting me. So yeah, we're here. Bye bye. See you later.
Like wow, look at the place. It's so aesthetic. It's so also demure. Like I can't believe we go there and I've like experienced things we only experienced there. Sit down. We so much as usual. time-lapse. Busy mi kaligo ang duha nga mag-couple. Basta lingaw kay sila kami. Lingaw po mi, ana lang, in single world. Pagkaugmaan na kayo na ako'y na-meet ng guy. Uy, sana'y na-meet nga guy? Shh, shout niya. Wala. Wala ko lain mo share. What's up ako i-share dari about that guy? Uy, ka-random ba time-lapse sa swimming pool ang mo to akong i-share? Pero yeah, kapit na naman ang time-lapse. Sige na lang, bye! Hi guys, last day here in City Hall. Bagong mata, kubot ang hair, ang mouth is baho, breath. Nice my things. We're heading to Balingasaan, kaya dito may mamista. Yes. I'm so excited. We're heading to Concentrix, kaya dito mong condominium. Bye! Mga to, karon po ka-edit. Narik na bukid nun pila ka days after. Bye-bye, love you, thank you for watching.